This is how we're going to set up for every start appointment. The first thing we need is an informed consent document, because either the dentist or Dr. V is going to go through this with the patient and their parent at the start of every appointment. We want to have everything ready for the patient to take home. Includes their aligner case. Open up an aligner pull tool and have it ready in their case for them. We also have a chewie, which we've opened and placed in there, and an emery board. If the patient requires elastics, we have elastics set up here, either fox or rabbit. Over here, we're set up for dental monitoring, because the patient will be using their own mobile phone as their scanning device. At every start appointment, it is very important that you have the patient's Clincheck open and ready. This is because the dentist will need to know where they are bonding attachments and where they have to do some polishing in between the teeth if it's required. It has a scaler, which we will use to remove the excess glue. It has an instrument called a flat plastic, which we will use to remove the templates after we have bonded the attachments, and tweezers so that we can pick things up using the tweezers rather than our fingers. Also have a couple of cotton rolls ready as well, as this will help with retraction. It's very important to have a cheek retractor ready. So you will need to have an etch ready. This is the bond, which we use to glue on the attachments. This will be applied with a micro brush, so have it ready as well. Next to a little dappen dish, we will dispense the glue into here, and then you will dip it with a micro brush and pass it to the operator when the operator needs it. And this flowable resin to fill in all the attachments. If we are bonding buttons, you will require these tweezers here to help you hold the button. You'll need a button ready if it's just on one side, and if it's on both sides, you will require two. The other thing you will need is this special resin, which is pink, and this is what we will be using to stick the buttons on. Sometimes at a start appointment, we may also need to do a little bit of polishing. So if the operator requires it, have a hand strip ready so that we can do some polishing in between the teeth.